kulikuwa wengine ambao kwa interview walikuwa wanasema ya kwamba kuna utafiti ambao unaendelea hapa ambao will involve or Kenyans were involved in being used as guinea pigs for a vaccine test. Hakuna ukweli hata kidogo kwa haya madai. Ukweli ambapo huko ni ya kwamba institutions zetu kama KEMRI, kama Kenya Primate Research Center, wanaungana pamoja na wengine kutafuta dawa, kutafuta vaccine ya hii ugonjwa. Na kama kutakuwa na kutafika wakati ambapo hawa wataalamu wetu watatuambia labda wameweza kudevelop vaccine to the point ambapo it shall require human trials, tutawaambia. Kwa hivyo msidanganywe ya kwamba kuna lolote ambalo linaendelea kuhusu testing ya vaccines ambazo hatujui hapa kwetu Kenya. Yeah? But our institutions, like I said, specifically KEMRI, Kenya Primate Research, and others, are involved in the global effort to try and find a vaccine. And once we have found one, once we have reached an area where these trials can be tested on humans, fellow Kenyans, as we have been briefing you on a regular basis, we shall keep you informed and we shall let you know, and nothing shall be done in the dark. You will be informed. So I keep appealing to Kenyans, I keep appealing to those who are passing on unverified information. Please, do not cause panic, do not cause uncertainty amongst your fellow Kenyans.
Plague, malaria. Now, if they don't get early, quick results in the UK, they're considering a trial in Kenya where the epidemic of coronavirus may well be on the rise. Now, this virus is known, this vaccine is known to produce a strong antibody response, but that doesn't necessarily equate to protection. And we're going to need many vaccines. There are dozens in development.
Then on the vaccines issue, there was, I think, a comment last week from some couple of scientists who said the testing ground for the new vaccines will be Africa. To be honest, I was so appalled, and it was a time when I said, when we needed solidarity, this kind of racist remarks actually would not help. It goes against the solidarity. Africa cannot and will not be a testing ground for any vaccine. We will follow all the rules to test any vaccine or therapeutics all over the world using exactly the same rule. Whether it's in Europe, Africa, or wherever, we will use the same protocol, and if there is a need to be tested elsewhere, to treat human beings the same way, equally. And the hangover from a colonial mentality has to stop. And WHO will not allow this to happen. And it was a disgrace, actually, and appalling to hear during the 21st century from scientists that kind of remark. And we condemn this with the strongest terms possible. But we assure you that this will not happen in Africa and will not happen elsewhere in any country. Proper protocols will be followed, and human beings will be treated as human beings, because we are all human beings.